Sony has launched a new pair of earbuds, and it's not just the design that stands out. They've packed in some really unique features too. As expected from Sony, the sound quality is top notch. The fit is also excellent, making it ideal not just for normal or office use, but also for workouts as it stays snug even during movement. The name is Sony LinkBuds Fit, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at what they offer. You're watching Time to Unbox and I am Sugumar. Let's dive into the video. Starting with the unboxing, the box is well packed. The color variant and compatibility, both iPhone and Android, are clearly mentioned. The box also includes the price and specifications. Inside you get the charging case, some extra ear tips, a user manual and a Type-C cable. The charging case design is quite different from usual. It almost looks like a small burger. The marble finish on top gives it a unique look, but because of the glossy surface, there's a chance of minor scratches. Just like we use phone cases, we might need one for this case too. The Type-C charging port, pairing button and the compact lightweight design make it very easy to use. The earbuds themselves are incredibly light, only 4.9 grams, and come with a special silicone ring that helps with grip. Whether you're walking or exercising, they don't fall off easily. They're also easy to remove without discomfort. With an IPX4 rating, they're splash resistant but avoid direct exposure to water. One of the standout features is the tap control system. You don't need to touch the earbuds directly. You can double tap near your ear to play or pause music, change songs, or adjust volume. These are customizable via the Sony app. Another innovative feature is head gesture control. You can nod to answer calls or shake your head to reject them. Battery life is solid. The earbuds themselves last 4 to 5 hours with noise cancellation enabled, and up to 6 to 7 hours without it. With the charging case, you get up to 21 hours in total. A quick 5-minute charge gives you about 1 hour of playback, which is perfect if you're in a rush. Now coming to noise cancellation, this is where Sony really shines. I've used their premium models before, and sometimes with ANC on, the person on the other end of a call couldn't hear properly, but with these it's a different story. The ANC is so powerful that you won't hear anything from your surroundings, which some people might like and some might not. For those who prefer to hear ambient sounds, there's a transparency mode as well. You can also turn off ANC to save battery, especially during long use. For sound quality, Sony has packed in 8.4mm dynamic drivers. With the default equalizer, you get deep bass and rich sound. If you want more customization, the equalizer gives you room to adjust. They've also added a background music effect option that mimics room acoustics, like the feel of two speakers echoing in a hall. However, when this is enabled, so it's better to try it out and decide based on your preference. When it comes to loudness, Sony usually doesn't go for extreme volume levels. Compared to other brands that max out, Sony's sound might seem a little softer, but trust me, it's very clear and detailed. Once you get used to it, you won't want to go back. Lastly, about the price, Sony has priced these LinkBuds Fit at 19,000 rupees. That might sound a bit expensive to some, but considering the top tier sound quality, strong noise cancellation and premium features, it's definitely worth it if you're looking for a balanced, feature-rich experience. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to support us.